What's going on, guys? Today we have another we already started working on it, but I didn't think I was gonna make a video on this. But so far we've got already all the rear subframe done with poly bushings. Um, Rear diff is now LSD diff. We cleaned everything up, painted a little bit. These poly bushings, these here. The fuel pump already got installed. I didn't go over that, but the fuel pump I believe is a 450. It looked pretty big. Cleaned up the gas tank too. These lines, steel braided lines we're gonna be running. I guess since we already did all this whole subframe stuff, I can kind of talk about how you do these poly mounts. So on these, I can't really take them out. So for those, you don't need the sleeve. On these, for the control arms though, you do. You need the those bushings in. But for the most part, I mean, it's not that bad. You just clean it up good, and you use something to press them in. You can use a C-clamp or a press, whatever you got, but just to press those in, and then press the inner sleeve in. I mean, besides that, it's not that quick little update as we're working on this. We have pretty much everything in the rear put up in the car now. The There's a $2 bill over there somewhere.
Yeah?
See, no, Tony? Or is that that 20 was the one that was over there? Oh, I thought it was a $2 bill.
3-6 Mafia.
That bait money.
I know.
Quick little update on this Z. We're doing all the wiring right now. I have all those wires. They run in through here, come out here. The fuse box is back here. It's gonna be, well, let's see if I can put this in. It's gonna be hidden in the storage. Well, one sec. It's gonna be hidden right there. Okay, that's everything on now. Huh? Along with the wipers. Yeah, it came on.
Nice.
At least now we know that's all working. Taking care of it still looks like a little bit of a mess in here. Let me see if I can turn on the light. But we got the fuse panel done. All the wiring is gonna be hidden. All that right there is done. It's gonna be covered up. It's just a little mess right now since we just finished up for the day. See, up here the same thing. We cleaned up the wiring that runs along this this passenger side, and these fans. We installed these fans that are Maxima fans, and we just have to figure out how we're gonna be mounting them. But we finally got them to fit in there. We had to take the turbo out to get that in there, but for the most part, we're almost there. There's not that much more going on besides just putting the turbo back on and plumbing a few hoses. and hopefully should be able to get it started up here pretty soon. I just got to make sure that it's pull it? No? No. You got to make sure that it's not in gear.
Is that it? Is it neutral? Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Put the key on the on. I'll do it again. Alright, try it.
A la vi. Dale.
Do it again. Do it again. Let me get in there.
Un poquito más y prende. Attempt number 2. Attempt number 3. Give me that one coil. No spark. So cylinder 1 coil, no spark. Okay, go for it. Nice. What happened with the clutch? With the clutch?
The next day.
What's going on, everybody? So I didn't really show too much after whatever the last video was. I think we were doing the electrical side of things, but this car is pretty much done. There's a few things that are still going to need to be taken care of, but that's going to be done elsewhere. Like the exhaust needs to be done. There was something else. The exhaust needs to be done. The alignment. I think that's where it's going to go next. It's going to alignment straight from here. It's going to alignment. Then possibly he's doing the exhaust, but after that, he's going to have to get it tuned. It still runs like this. It runs really rich. But let me. I'm going to open this up so we can get some more sunlight in here, and I can show you guys now how it looks inside. So, interior is all put back together. I think the only thing we were missing was the glove box. Let me open the back so you can see the pipe that's left to be put on for the exhaust, the down pipe. Let's see. So originally this piece fit on there, but it's supposed to work with I think a turbo cross member, and this one has an NA cross member, and it has to be modified a little bit to fit. But I mean, check it out. You can't really tell that we were even in here. The fuse panels over here, hidden over here. Yeah, everything looks good. Runs pretty good, but yeah, it's gonna need a few things here and there, like minor details. But yeah, this is gonna be the last day for this Z being here. He's gonna be picking that up today, and yeah, it's gonna be it for this one. Hopefully, after he gets it tuned and everything, maybe I can record a little bit of it running on a tune and some pulls or whatever. It would be nice to see this afterwards once it's completely done. But yeah, he should be here soon. Hook up his laptop and see if we can set up a few things on the laptop. And yeah, I'll be back once he gets here, or once we get it loaded up on the trailer. Yeah. I got you. Now goes. Yeah. Keep going. You're good. Keep coming. Yeah, you're good still. Hold on, all right? We're gonna give you a boost.
Yeah, get a little, roll back a little. Tell them to roll back.
Go back a tiny bit. All right,
Go.
go.
There we go.
All right.
Alright, so I'm gonna do
Nice.
a freaking
Dukes of Hazzard.
Dukes of Hazzard right here.
Huh?
We did the turbo.
I'm pretty. I swapped the drivetrain in and they did.
You want to take the T-top out?
Uh,
No. Open. Hit the thing for the hatch. All right. That's it. That's it. Yeah. That's the only other way.
If we open it just enough.
I'm pretty good. It just tells me I gotta break.
No, it's not your door. It's the side.
It's the T-tops. If you could open the T-tops,
Oh, right,
then he could get out through there.
Some Dukes that have it shit, man.
You recording this ish?
Yeah. Whether it's in the video or not, you'll never know until you watch it. Just don't fall. And there it goes. Peace out, Z.